Good morning, everybody. I was hoping that I was going to be able to give you some audio of the coyotes because they're making a bunch of noise. Since I was already up dealing with troll, the coyotes started making noise, and I thought I'd share that. And of course, I no more than get my light back out and my camera up, and it's dead silent. Oh goodness! Well, I tried. Oh. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Anyway, and keeping things on a positive note because some people just suck. And I'm going to be thankful and continue to keep on keeping on. That's what I do. And even poopy people can't do anything about that. We all are entitled to live our lives. Oh well. Well, like I said, I tried. I'll give you guys an update in the morning, like real morning. All right. Till then, stay safe.